Alrighty friends, today's video we're going to talk about if your Walgreens curbside order gets canceled and how to retrieve digital coupons. So we're just going to jog through this line by line, and I'm going to explain what happened to me and how I managed to retrieve the coupons. So as you can see, I did my deal from Tuesday where I got 4 units of this Kotex, and the order got canceled. I was able to place the order, but the order got canceled. So somebody maybe watched my video and beat me to it. I don't know, but it got canceled. And what happened is the $3 coupon, I couldn't use it again because there's another store about 10 minutes away. I could have placed a second order, but I wasn't able to do it. The coupon was there, but the coupon was at 0. So even though I had 2 in a basket, it was still coming up as 0. So that kind of isn't so nice. So I did get in touch with customer service, and the rep I had, I don't know if she was a new hire or if they're changing something, but she had some different information for me. So if you go to the bottom of a website, if you look on the left there where the arrow is, it says contact us. With a cell phone, you will have to call the 1-800 number, this option to chat. I think they removed it or something. It got moved around. It's really hard to find. So anyhow, you're going to press this specific button, and you have to do this during regular business hours. So if you have the bright idea to do this at like 3 in the morning, the chat option bubble won't be there for you. It has to be during regular business hours. Please be mindful of that as well, because people are always complaining that, they can never find the chat. It has to be during the regular 9 to 5. And here it is. If you are during the regular 9 to 5 and there's somebody to help you, this will pop up. Need help, live chat. And I love to do this because I don't like being on the phone. Alternatively, if you have to call them, their 1-800 number is right below. So maybe just save that to your phone number, because who isn't calling Walgreens once a week about something that's missing? Okay, guys. So what I did was I just hit that little button, need help, live chat, and I spoke to a rep, or I chatted with a rep, and the rep told me that the coupon was back on my account, and that within 48 hours it should be able to use it. But I wanted to use it right away, and she's like, So I said to her, so by Thursday, if this isn't working, like, I can get in touch with you? She's like, yep. So Thursday, I threw 2 Kotex into a basket, tried to pick up at a different store, and guess what? The coupon was not attaching. It was at 0. I could see it in my digital coupons folder, but it wasn't there. So I'm not sure if they're changing something around or if it's just not there yet or what the story is, but it didn't work. So you bet your bottom dollar for $3 on Thursday. I tested it again. It wasn't working. And then I got in touch with another customer service rep. This lady was so much nicer. And I explained the situation. I was brief and to the point, very polite. No problem. Thank you so much. If you could help me out, just using all that Dale Carnegie very favorable language. Within 2 minutes, she just added that $3 to my account. Super easy. So the missed coupon, they gave it to me. If they're changing something in their software where you can use it, like to wait 48 hours to use a digital coupon, it seems kind of head scratching and weird, but who knows? Maybe something is in the pipes changing. I do not know. Now, typically, the customer service reps will just give you the missed coupon or the coupon that you couldn't use it in Walgreens cash, and they're very quick about it. But for whatever reason, I was asked to wait 48 hours. Maybe this is a new change, maybe not. But the rep on Thursday made it completely right. And guys, I can't stress it enough. When you're dealing with customer service reps, when you're dealing with cashiers at the store, when you're dealing with anyone, because if you're couponing a lot, there's always something to possibly go sideways in a deal. That if you're going to go in there with your back up against the wall of this is the coupon policy and this is how it's supposed to be and I'm supposed to be given this and and if you're going to go in with that sort of attitude of like, this never works, this store is awful, this great. The employee that's working there and making a living and paying their bills and feeding their family, I don't think they really want to hear that. If you go in there with a bit of positivity and a bit of grace saying, I don't know what happened, could you possibly help me out? You're the expert. Just throw it at them like that. Things tend to work out your way. Take a first-year psych course at any school or read anything about psychology. It's just this sort of language that if you're going to go in there waving your finger and being like an aggressive couponer, things will probably not go very well for you. But if you go in there with a bit of grace and positivity and an open heart to say, hey, could you show me something? Things usually work out. The lady on Tuesday really wouldn't help me out, but did I lose my cool over it? No. I just called back, or I just typed back on Thursday, and then things worked out very favorably for me. Hope this helps you guys out. And this last piece about being more positive, I think this goes in every facet of life. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.